Hello, welcome to the channel once again. We are looking at how to find the greatest common factor of numbers. You are going to be given 2 pairs of numbers or 3 pairs of numbers, and then we determine the greatest common factor. This is how we do it. We are given 15 and 25, and we are asked to find the greatest common factor in these two numbers. So what we do prime factorization. We can do a factor tree, or we can use factors of numbers, factorize the number in different ways. So I'm going to use this form of factorization. This is 15 and this is 25. So I'm going to factorize this number with the first prime number. Remember, the prime numbers, we have 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. So we start with a factor that can be divided into 15. So 15 cannot be divided into 2, so we take 3. So 15 divided by 3, we get 5. This means that the factors are 3 and 5 here. Then we also go to this number. We start with 5 because 2 and 3 cannot divide this number. So we divide it by 5 and we get 5. So the factors are 5 and 5. So here we look at the common numbers that we have in both the factors. We have a 5 here, we have a 5 here. So we can conclude and say that the GCF, greatest common factor, of 15 and 25 is 5. Let's take another example here on this same subject. We are going to have 18, 36, and 54. What's the greatest common factor in these numbers? So we'll start by using our method for factorization. We put 18 here, 36 here, and then 54 here. Then we start with 18. 2 can divide 18, we get 9. We can still divide 9 by 3 to get 3. So the factors here are 2, 3, 3. Those are the factors. Then we go to 2. 36 divided by 2, this is going to be 18. 18 divided by 2, we'll get 9. 9, we divide it by 3, we get 3. So the factors here are 2, 2, 3, 3. Then we got 54 divided by 2, we'll get 27. We divide it by 3, we get 9. We divide it by 3, we get 3. So the factors for here are 2, 3, 3, 3. Now we determine the common factors. Here we have 2, 3, 3. Here we have 2, 2, 3, 3. So we'll take this 2, 3, 3. Here we have 2, 3, 3. So as you look, I have circled the common factors in all of those numbers that we have been given. Now these are the factors that we multiply together to get the greatest common factor. 2 times 3 times 3. That is going to be our greatest common factor. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 3, that is 18. So we can conclude and say that the GCF of 18, 36, and 54 is 18. Thank you so much for following. Like and subscribe to this